Hey guys, please make sure to stay tuned and we'll share some very helpful advice that if you don't follow you may end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a BMW. It could be almost any BMW you can think of with gasoline, diesel or hybrid engine. Guys, if you see while you're driving, let's say you're driving or you stop at a traffic light, you idle, and all of a sudden you see smoke coming from under the hood, but then it goes away. Okay, smoke is scary because your car could be on fire, right? But if it's not a fire, okay, what else can cause that smoke from under the hood? Actually, you can even see it coming from under the headlights and the grills as well, if it's really bad. We'll talk about that. First, make sure it's not fire, because if it's fire, it can catch your vehicle on fire. The engine can turn off all of a sudden. That could be dangerous. You may get in an accident. If it's not a fire, we'll explain what else we see quite often in the garage, how to avoid that, how to fix, and how it can lead to some very expensive repairs as well. Make sure to stay until the end. All that will be covered in this video today. So, you wonder guys what could cause that smoke? We'll demonstrate on that BMW, but practically will work on almost any car with gasoline, diesel or hybrid engine. Guys, some of the most common reasons that you will see smoke coming from under the hood will be an oil leak on a car. Doesn't mean that's what your problem is, but that BMW has 124,000 miles. And guys, all the gaskets started failing at about the same time. I want to show you right here now, this is leaking oil. Here, you see all that, okay, is oil leaks. Let me see if I can focus. You see that's oil leak. Here, that oil leak actually even gets on the serpentine belt, guys. Okay, all that oil leaks from failing gaskets. On the back side, oil leaks, even on the alternator. So, your engine will be really hot, guys. When it's hot and you have oil leaks, okay, eventually it will start smoking. But the number one reason for that we see here, guys, at the garage, okay, will be failing valve cover gasket. This is the valve cover gasket, okay, right here. You see that's the valve cover on top of the engine. That's a plastic cover that covers your engine. This is the gasket itself. The gasket consists of many components, guys. Okay, you're going to have right here, okay, that's the main gasket. You have secondary gaskets around the ignition coils, a few injectors often, and you may have a gasket for a high pressure fuel pump and other gaskets as well. And now if you look here, guys, okay, want to show you something. When it fails, you see this is the exhaust right under the valve cover. Okay, I'm trying to get a better look. And when it drips, guys, all that oil, okay, let me show you. I just even power washed some of it so we can start working on it. All that oil will start dripping on the exhaust and the catalytic converters on many cars. And when that happens, okay, that oil immediately turns into smoke. So, failing gasket is one of the most common reasons for smoke coming from under the hood. Another thing now, guys, okay, except that gasket, okay, that is causing smoke. First, when it gets on the belt, like it did on ours, you see it slowly starts destroying your belt as well, because the belt will be covered with oil, and when that happens, guys, okay, you can see the belt will stretch, it will get soft, it will destroy itself, okay, practically in no time. And you can see that ours already started. Okay, that's almost a brand new belt and started destroying itself. So, belt, okay, can be the reason. The failing belt can be caused by that as well. Another thing, okay, it could be wear, guys, okay. Different connectors get contaminated with oil for camshaft position sensor, variable timing, ignition coils, fuel injectors. You can see those ignition coils, the holes are full of oil because of failing gasket, and that can cause misfires. These misfires, if not treated, can destroy your engine, catalytic converter, exhaust system, oxygen sensors, and you may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, guys. And another thing, if you run your engine out of oil because it's leaking oil everywhere, you will need the engine rebuilt or replaced. So make sure you service your valve cover gasket and other gasket and seals on time. But the number one reason for smoke from under the hood will be a bad gasket and valve cover gasket that we see here quite often at the garage. So guys, if you see that smoke coming from under the hood on any BMW, fix it on time, guys. Make sure you use good quality gaskets so you don't have to do the job again. We're using only original gaskets here, but usually we get them online because you can get a better price that way than going to the dealership quite often. Not always, but quite often you can get quite a bit of discount. Another thing, guys, okay, use oil that's approved for your BMW. If you don't use the correct oil, that can cause damages to seal, rings, and that can cause quite a few leaks in the future as well. And if not fixed on time, you see these leaks can lead to really expensive repairs on your BMW. Guys, we probably have more than 3,000 to 4,000 free repair videos how to fix things on BMWs. Check out our YouTube channels. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. We probably have more than 19,000 free repair videos to save you more on repairs, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.